How to transfer money from Skrill to Binance. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can transfer your money from Skrill to Binance. So let's get started. So let's say you have crypto in Skrill and you wish to convert into money. So first of all, you got to select your crypto and you can change it to fiat currency. And once you have done so, you got to click on withdraw over here. And if you do have funds over here, you got to simply click on withdraw option. And next, you're going to go to Binance here. You're going to click on assets and click on overview. Over here, you'll be able to see an option of deposit. So if you do have the deposit option, simply click on that. And then you'll be able to see P2P trading, deposit USD, deposit crypto. So simply click on deposit crypto. And here you'll need to first verify your Binance account. If you have verified your Binance account, first you got to select the asset that you wish to deposit, such as USDT, USDC, BTC, BNB, or Solana. After that, you got to select the network. So once you have selected a network, you'll be able to see the deposit address. You got to copy that deposit address from here, go to your Skrill and withdraw section and paste that deposit address. Make sure that the asset that you have selected over here along with the network is the same asset and network that you have selected over here, and simply paste that deposit address over here and click send. It will take some time depending on the time that specific crypto takes in order in sending. So once done, you'll be able to see that Binance currency over here. So that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.